Let us consider a data: days to the 50% flowering, plant height, panicle length, total number of tillers, single plant yield. Now I want the mean, variance, standard deviation, maximum value, minimum value, count of each column. So what I can do this, just I have to write the what are the things I want, count, or you can write in this simple way, number of observations, so I have to write equal to count. So count is the function which find out how many values are there in the particular column. So select the column, so you can see the 30. Now what we have to do for each column, just I will copy this one. Yeah, so for each one I want to do same thing, so just I will just drag this to the right side, so automatically it will count the number of observation in each column. So you want, you can just check. Yeah, now it is 28 values. So this is how we can do by using count. Now second thing I want now is the minimum value. So what is the minimum value in the particular data set or the column is equal to, I have to just use MIN. MIN is minimum. So just select again. You have to do only for one column. So what is my function? MIN equal to MIN, in bracket select the values, so you will get the minimum value. Again drag it. Now same way I have to do for maximum value. So what I can do now, put the equal to max. So these are the inbuilt functions having the letters max. It is only for the maximum value. You cannot write maximum. Okay, so these are inbuilt functions are there. You have to use same letters whatever provided by the Excel. So again select the numbers. So we get the maximum value for each column. Now we get the average. So you can say the mean value, or you can say the average is equal to, here the function is average, not mean, so you have to use average. So I get now mean of each column. Now I want standard deviation. So what I will do, equal to STD. You can see here standard dev, population, sample, average. You can use either .s, or in previous Excel, that is 2007 or something, it will not be there like this. You can have the standard dev A or standard dev P. Standard dev only will be for average, sorry, or for the sample. So you can use standard dev A. So you will get the standard deviation. Similarly, if you want variance, you can get the variance also. Is equal to VAR. So you got the variance of each column. So likewise we can get the descriptive statistics based on the different functions used in the Excel. So you want to make it as 2 digits. Yeah, so this is what the my descriptive statistic using the different function: count, number of observation, MIN, minimum value, max, maximum value, average to get the mean value, STD, EVA, standard dev A for the standard deviation. For variance we have to write VAR, or you can write VARA. So this is how we can do the descriptive statistic using the Excel functions.